I have a Pentair Mastertemp 400 with an AFS light on. The heater turns on and runs for 10 seconds and turns off and throws the light on. Before this light came on, I replaced the pressure switch, high limit switch, thermistor, manifold bypass valve, and control board due to an issue caused by the bypass valve in the manifold. When removing my manifold, I noticed my coils were in good shape and didn't have any water in the heat exchanger. I put my own meter on the AFS switch and it is good. When I bypass the switch and turn the heater on, it runs and then starts getting really loud and shaky before I shut it off so I don't mess something up. Any help would be greatly appreciated. Thanks.
How long has this been going on? And how severe is the problem?
Just one day.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Please read carefully and reply. Hello, welcome to Just Answer. My name is I am the category moderator. I apologize for the wait. I wanted to reach out to see if you still need assistance with your question. Please use the reply box below to let me know if you'd like to continue or cancel. If you were attempting to reach a different company, please let me know that as well. Thank you. Roman moderator.
Please read entire message before responding. Hi there, my name is Vay, got over 10 years in the trade, and I'll be glad to help. Please disregard any automated phone request or service requests as they are generated by the website. You do not have to accept phone requests unless you want that service. Please bear with my responses, I may be actively working on the job site also. There may be a slight delay in between our messages. Hope you are doing well today. I would be happy to help you figure this out. Are you near the unit now?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.